for another paint party. You see quite a mess in front of you. Please excuse that. This is my second attempt to get results that I am happy with. I'm kind of picky. If any of you watch my videos, you know I don't just wrap it up and say, oh, well, that's it. And if I'm not really thrilled with it, I keep trying to get results that I'm real happy with. So that's what we're doing now, my second attempt. We're redoing a Dutch pour that I did about a month ago that was looked beautiful, but I had made the mistake of painting over I put a base coat, painted a base coat over a previous pour, trying to reuse the canvas, and it didn't like that too well. The base coat started buckling, and so I ended up having to pitch that one out. So I liked how it looked so much. It was so pretty that I want to redo that one. So that's what we're going to do today. As usual, I will provide the colors in the description. So let's get started. As you see, we've got a base coat of black, which was the first time I'd ever done that last time with the fail, and I really liked it. Well, I call it a fail. The actual Dutch pour turned out beautiful, but the fail was me trying to reuse a canvas, and that I won't do that again. You can be guaranteed on that one. I see a cat hair that I need to get out of that. When you have pets, it's pretty hard to not get it in here unless you clean every single solitary day, and I do not do that. My house is not what you would call dirty, but cat hair is or dog hair, whichever you may have, is pretty much a given if you have pets. So it's something you got to be on the lookout for. If you've not done this, be sure to survey your piece real well after you're done, because chances are you're going to find some bad hair. At least one, if not more. Okay, let's get started. Black really is noticeable. It's really noticeable in black. Okay. Now I've thinned out my base coat. That was what I know was part of the issue the last time. All right, time for the fun part. Didn't get much webbing here. That's what I'm trying. That's why I kept blowing here. This I love. That looks awesome. The angle is kind of hard here. I'm gonna have to do something with all that there. That's a lot of paint just kind of. It's a little odd there. I think I'm going to scrape that off there and just put some black right there, but I won't do that right now on camera, so won't keep you all waiting while I do that. I'm going to get the camera down and give you all a close-up. Really like the way this part turned out. Got lots of lacing and sails. I like the way this scalloped look happened here with the black and the pearl together. This is real pretty here. Lots of lacing there. Got a lot of black negative space right there, but I really wanted that. Now I'm loving this scallopy look right in here. That's pretty. And the translucent effect of the white pearl with the pink. Really pretty. Now, like I said, this part right in here, that part right here, I'll get rid of that, probably put just some black there. Now this part right here didn't get any lacing like the other part. I'm gonna fix that little doodad right there. Right there, that'll probably go. Just put some black there. It's got that little spot right there. I'll probably fix that. That looks a little weird. But overall, I think it's really pretty, and I like how it turned out. Hope you guys liked it too. If so, give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment, some suggestions, questions. Please share with your friends and family, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd like to have you come along and be a part of my paint parties. Gonna sign off for now. Hope you all have a good day for the rest of the day or evening, whichever it may be where you're at, and I will see you at the next paint party. Bye.